it's your girl Nelly. Today we are going to be doing an updated makeup routine. I feel like I've been getting better with my makeup routine and stuff like that, but you know, we just gonna record and stuff like that to see where my progress is, because the first video I did, it was okay, but I feel like I'm getting better every time I do my makeup and stuff like that. So I'm definitely planning on doing my makeup like for my birthday and stuff like that. I'm gonna bring my whole makeup kit because I want to look like that girl. That's what I want to look like, that girl. First thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I usually always do my eyebrows, so it's not the hardest thing to do, but I can kind of get them where I want them to be when it comes to makeup and stuff like that. So if you guys see, I'm looking right here in the mirror. Shoot, I'm trying to get micro needling done, and then I want to do like a peel. I feel like I'm not getting the progress that I want, and that's the crazy thing. Like, the peel is definitely supposed to work for discoloration, marks. It's like people, like, you know, for people with acne and stuff like that. So ooh, this making me mess up because this light right here, and come on, my eyesight can't be that bad. We definitely need like an updated skincare video. I'm planning on buying more of Trey's skincare, only because I felt like that it worked fast and it worked good for like discoloration. Like, I actually seen like real progress fast with his skincare. As far as the soap, I don't really care too much like about the soap because I still have some left over. I was thinking about getting the carrot soap this time just to see, but I mean, it could work and it could lighten up, but like, I definitely just want to try to do something that's gonna help like my texture and like my like pores. And micro needling is just so expensive, you know. I definitely need to do something about that and try to figure out that situation. One thing about it, I definitely want to go into the new year strong. I just want somebody to help out my skin. Like, I even thought about getting on meds, like medication for skin, but I mean, why would I do that when I could just pay for treatments? Because going to like a dermatologist, it's probably gonna be way out of my budget. What if the thing that they prescribe me, what if it doesn't work? So I'm definitely trying to just weigh my options out. When I put on makeup and stuff like that, I don't want it to look cakey. Well, I feel like when I do put it on, it doesn't look cakey. I feel like it actually looks pretty good with my skin, but I need to do something to help out my texture, because I think my only other option, it would probably have to be microneedling. Once you get microneedling, you have to wait for some months or something like that, then to get a chemical peel. Like, you have to wait till your skin heals. What they say, like, what, 2 to 3 months? Who's gonna do that? Like, who's gonna wait 2 to 3 months to then get a pill? Right? Shoot, I would love to get them both in the same day, but I don't think my skin is built for that. My skin has been breaking out at the wrong time. Like, bro, if I gotta spend that money and invest into my skin, then I think I'm gonna do it. It just sucks because it's the fact that like I'm in the field. It just feels like I don't know enough. And then on top of that, you know, I haven't worked in like a skincare, what you call it, like a skincare spa. My eyebrow looks, okay, this eyebrow looks good. That eyebrow look kind of ugly, but I would have to read my books and stuff like that. Thank God I still have those. I really can't wait till the new year. We're definitely gonna talk about that, do like a little girl talk in a different video. I have a couple of foundations. I don't know which one fits good on me. It might be this one, because it's like, I don't know, because it's like, I don't, let me just put it on, because y'all, I still don't have nothing to blend my makeup in. I was going to use this for like blush. I don't know. I don't really care that much. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to use this one. Look at that. I feel like this one blends well, and I just bought this one. Numb to pain. Epic, because nobody else is going to use this but me, so. But, you know, I hope y'all do have a good Thanksgiving. I hope you guys, you know, missed your girl. If you guys know anything about makeup, comment down below, maybe some advice or something like that. I really don't care too much about like what brands I'm gonna be using, because I'm not like deep into makeup. I'm trying to be a little bit. I'm not gonna like do it on nobody or nothing like that. I doubt I would ever get to that point. I should have did my foundation, then then do my eyebrows. I don't know. Okay, I do feel like it kind of does make me look like a little bit of orange. I should have just did the whole face first. Duh, why was I not thinking of that? Well, you know what? Just trust the process, I guess. Just trust the process. Now, I bought some light stuff. I heard it's supposed to go like under the eye or something like that. I don't know. They be using like some type of light stuff under their eyes, some powder or something. So I'm gonna use this. I don't know if this is even right. Like, I don't know what brush to use, but yeah, I just need different brushes. Okay, and I also bought this. I don't know what this is supposed to do or how I'm supposed to do it, but then of course I'm gonna use this. This one was the one that I was using. Oh my god. Well, this is not good. Maybe I was only supposed to use it under the eye. Let me just pat it in real quick, cause nah, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Maybe I was only supposed to put it under my eye, cause nah, now it looks, nah. It's kind of like lighter than my color. Let me try to get that back, cause they got me effed up. I feel like this is blended a little bit more. Y'all should have told me not to do that. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. The moment that I get on camera, now all of a sudden I don't know how to do makeup. Like, what? Because I promise y'all, like, I've been doing my makeup, like, real good. Y'all would be shocked. Y'all. This looks terrible. I should have just kept it the way it is and not added that. Well, honestly, like in person, like for me looking at the mirror, it don't look bad, but on camera, oh my god, like it just looks, it don't look good like on camera, but in person it actually does blend a little bit. So I'll just try to maybe fix it a little bit. right, this is my palette, my little cheap palette. We're gonna be doing this one because I like how like the pinkish reddish looks on my skin. As long as I look good, then I don't really care. When I go out and stuff like that, I want to be able to kind of do like a full face, but you know, y'all know how girls is when we gotta do a full face. So I'm not trying to be that woman that be like taking forever and stuff like that. I'm definitely not gonna be like that. Or you know, I'm at least try to get like as like early. I'm gonna get up early or try to get ready early just to see like, am I gonna like it or not, pretty much. So okay, y'all, I don't have no blush, but hey, this will probably work. And I'ma just rub it. Actually, the only thing that I'm really like worried about is like definitely I'm gonna do my lips, eyebrows. Yeah, just lips and eyebrows. I really want to learn how to do my lips. I look like a freaking clown. I put the black on and then I use, I guess, matte lipstick. I have a love-hate relationship with matte lipstick because it could look good, but it could be also just drying. Like, that's what I don't like. Y'all probably like, what is she doing? I'm practicing, that's what I'm doing. This is my results. I kind of do look like a clown, but I promise y'all, like in person, like I do not look like a clown. Like I'm looking at the mirror and I don't look like this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show and get your little laps in. The last thing that I'm actually gonna do is just put on my lashes. Cause why not, you know? What is makeup without your lashes, you know? All right, so now this is the finishing touch. Even though I look like a ghost, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. All right, y'all. Yeah, this is the finishing touch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any advice or anything like that, I mean, I'm willing to listen. I'm willing to take it or whatever. And hopefully on this journey with me trying to do makeup and stuff like that, hopefully, you know, it would get to where I want it to be. So thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays to everybody. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my content. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, and I'll see you guys next time.